Alright, so this is part 2. Bring the nigga knife visit, that's cool. Uh, what the? Oh no, this is kind of hard. A monk. But we good. I thought we had infinite stamina.
Freddy comes first.
True.
If Freddy comes, and peace to us, you gonna lift that door and we're good.
Oh God. Well, look at the guy from stamina. Stamina good. Oh Lord.
He was, instead of me walking, he's gonna run to the door.
Ah! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
He chasing you?
Yes. You see? No, stop leaving me.
Slide out.
That's me, bro. Okay, so Freddy is too broken. Don't worry, SpongeBob.
Man, that was, I got pretty mad. So
Bro, whatever, bro. I'm back, bro. Whatever, bro. Yeah. Then what then? What's up? Give me my first aid. That's the only thing I need. Pin up, come on, man. We're not scared of nobody.
Where you at?
Behind you, looking for you.
I just saw you.
Why you here? Come on me. It's scary. I need to a sacrifice.
Oh, look.
Get. If I see chicken in the vent, I'm crying.
They better cry, you would have been.
I love coming in back. No. Well, we're not the back area. Bro, get a Freddy back there. Pin up, go to Freddy. Bro, I did. But from far away. Bro, what?
If he us,
Alright, bro. That's enough, y'all. Bye.